Hello everyone, it's CHHUOY here again on Khmerue Teams Official Channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna talk about the wind raft that you can separate to any part of the size, so you can string your wind raft valve to multiple volume by doing with one file. So this video is now just for an example. Before you can separate between volume part, you must to know how many megabyte of your file first. For example, the file is 61 megabyte here, and it is the base size of the videos here. So to separate it, you must know the total of the size first. So as you know that we have 61 megabytes on that video file here. But now you want to separate it into the wind raft files. You need to right click on that videos and then you're gonna select add to archive. When you see this icon is popping up here, you will see the split to volume size here, and here is the amounts of megabytes, kilobyte and gigabytes. So the file is only a megabyte, not a gigabyte. So it is a 61 megabytes. So you can string it to you can separate it just like this: 61 minus 31 3, so you can host it to 20 megabytes. You can calculate it like this, or you want to separate between 4 or 3 or 5. It is up to you. But now I'm just an example for you. I'm going to make 61 because I want to separate it into two files. Now I'm going to choose 31 because we already know that it is 61. So if we choose this, we have only two files that separate into the wind raft file. So now we're going to click OK, and here is the file is 1 and the other is 2 here. Here is 1, it is part 1. Here's the part 1, and here is the part 2. You cannot delete this. If you delete this file, you cannot extract the part 1 here. So you need to have all part of the file size to extract it. So if you have lost one file among the part of this file, for example, part 1, part 2, part 3, if you lost any one among that, you cannot extract it. For example, just like this. Now I'm gonna click and here, right click again and select to extract here. And the first we go on move that file because the name of the file inside is the same to this video. So we're gonna do it again. Extract here, and now we gonna lose one file, part 2. So we cannot extract it very well. So the error is appearing when you click cancel. So that is the problem that you need all parts of the file at the same folder. So now we're gonna drag it back here. So it is the same folders. It means in one folder, in one place. So you can extract it again. And here. Okay, now we got a video here because we have already 2 parts. In totally is 2 parts. And now what are we going to do next is separate it to 3 parts or 4 parts is depending on your opinions, your idea. So now I'm gonna separate it into I'm gonna split it into 3 parts. If you choose 3 parts, you must be 21. Okay, it should be like that, and megabyte here. So now we gotta start it. 1 is appearing now, 2 is appearing now. Okay, 21 plus 21 is 30. Okay, sometimes the file is outside and the file inside is smaller than the raw file here. Now I'm gonna do it again. When you put it into the WinRAR, it means your file is not very big, not very large, not take a lot of megabyte as a raw file. So you need to do it again. 61. Now I'm gonna split it into 15. Okay, 15 it should be 4 part here. Now do it again. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here's 3 file. It only 37 megabytes among these 3 files. So if you compile it into the WinRAR file, so it takes a smaller size than the raw file. So here is the problem. Here is the way. Here is the part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, I hope this video you can doing by your own, doing by yourself, or you can test it by yourself. Thank you for watching my video tutorial.